Okay, and here's our first Honda Zoomer. First of all, I'll say welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. It's our first Honda Zoomer of the new shipment that we have up for sale. It's a yellow one. Today's an 8 model, which is carburetor. It has only 7,466 kilometers on the clock, so really fresh Honda Zoomer in really nice condition. Yellow is always a great color. People put the JCB stickers on these and they look fantastic. Condition is great. Front tire is perfect. Front mudguard, dual front headlamps are good. Plastic where the battery box is really nice. No cracking or anything like that to be seen. The footwell area has very little scraping. You can really see the low mileage on this because you usually see scraping from all the feet getting on and off. All this in here, exhaust really good. Rear tire at the back is perfect. You have the seat as well, which has no rips or tears in it. Indicators and brake lights original. 08 registered in Dublin. Airbox, you have a little bit of a scrape here on the rear transmission. Kickstart as well as electric start. Yellow little Honda Zoomer. Absolutely perfect, so I'll get her up and running here. So ignition on, put the bike on the brake, starts up straight away. Really nice little bike. Probably needs a bit of warming up to get her going. Revving through. Indicators. Rear lamp working as well. Front headlamps working as well. Everything ready to go on this little Honda Zoomer. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to reach out to us about this bike, it is at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com.